Okay, boys and girls, home from work and just gonna walk through my patio project from a bit ago and talk about what we spent and what the estimates were. So the work started back up here where this was here. This was all slab. It was 5 inches thick, clear back up to the back of the garage back here, and around the back of the house, which I'll walk through there. So that all had to get demoed out. We put in this walkway here, put in the round paver area here, which that was fun. It was a demo of the deck, of the stairs that were here, the poured cement stairs, building the deck up above here, which is 6 by 6 at the top and then steps out from there. We have our this, it continues this way, and the walk down to our lower patio over here, including this retaining wall which threads all the way up into here to support the circle, and then to take the grade of this guy walking down here. So this guy, the circle is about, oh, I want to say it's about 20 feet in diameter. The walkway up there is about another 18 feet. This guy goes clear around the outside of everything, so it's pretty good size, again with more retaining brick on the outside to help keep the Bermuda back, although it's not doing a real good job. 3 or 4 brick retaining, and then the patio out here, which is 23 by 22, with all those pieces, and fence replacement that came with it as well, because the fence was falling down as we were doing this work. I had rebuilt this portion of the fence before, but hadn't redone this, and that had to go in it. Now, the pavilion up above it, that was this last summer's work that I got done. So that's separate from this. But all told, the patio was about $6,000, patio and deck and everything there. Materials, and that's counting the aggregate underneath, and the stones, and the sand, and the dumpster for the removal of the cement. And I did all the work myself with my father-in-law. So the quotes that we got were anywhere from 45 to 57, materials and all for everything. So I guess one thing that the quotes also included was moving the swing set from over here to over there, which we accomplished with a couple lengths of PVC pipe and about 45 minutes work. So it can be done. I know, because I've done it. So that's the work. That's the space that we're dealing with here. I'm still really proud of it. Came out really well, and I'm still really pleased with everything. Probably going to end up moving this out and going with better furniture and stuff under there now, but because I want to show off the circle a little bit better. But that was the work that we did a while ago.